Welcome to our video on building a budget for beginners. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances or unsure of where your money goes each month, you're not alone. Budgeting is a crucial skill that empowers you to take control of your personal finances. In this video, we'll explore the importance of budgeting. It will help you understand how it can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. You'll learn practical budgeting techniques, such as the 50-30-20 rule and zero-based budgeting, along with tools that can simplify the process, like budgeting apps and spreadsheets. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a solid foundation for creating your budget, but also appreciate the benefits that come with it, like reduced stress, improved savings, and the ability to plan for future goals. So let's dive in and start your journey toward financial control and empowerment. To build a solid budget, the first step is identifying all your sources of income. This includes your primary salary, any freelance work you might do, and even passive income streams like rental properties or dividends from investments. By listing all these income sources, you can establish a clear financial picture that reflects your true earning potential. Once you have everything documented, calculate your total monthly income. This figure is crucial as it helps you understand your financial capacity and sets the foundation for your budgeting process. However, it's essential to be realistic about income fluctuations. Many people experience variations in their earnings due to factors like seasonal work or freelance projects. Acknowledging these fluctuations will help you create a more flexible budget that can adapt to changes in your financial situation. By understanding your income thoroughly, you'll be better equipped to manage your expenses and achieve your financial goals. To effectively manage your budget, it's essential to track your expenses diligently. Start by using apps or spreadsheets to record your daily spending. This approach ensures accuracy and helps you stay accountable. As you log your expenses, categorize them into fixed, variable, and discretionary expenses. Fixed expenses are those that remain constant, like rent or mortgage payments, while variable expenses can fluctuate, such as groceries or utilities. Discretionary expenses are non-essential, like dining out or entertainment. This categorization provides clarity and helps you see where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, take the time to review past expenses. This analysis can reveal patterns and highlight areas where you might cut back, allowing for potential savings. By tracking your expenses and understanding your spending behavior, you'll be better equipped to make informed financial decisions and stick to your budget effectively. Establishing clear financial goals is a vital step in your budgeting journey. Start by defining your objectives using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying you want to save money, set a goal to save $5,000 for a vacation within the next year. This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated. Once you have your goals outlined, prioritize them based on urgency and importance. For example, saving for an emergency fund might take precedence over a vacation. It's essential to recognize that life circumstances can change, so encourage yourself to revisit and adjust your goals regularly. Whether you receive a raise, face unexpected expenses, or achieve a goal, adapting your financial objectives ensures they remain relevant and attainable. By setting and refining your financial goals, you'll create a roadmap that guides your budgeting efforts and helps you achieve financial stability and success. Now that you have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and financial goals, it's time to create a personalized budget that aligns with your objectives. Start by choosing a budgeting method that suits your lifestyle, such as the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Alternatively, you might prefer zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned a specific purpose. Once you've selected a method, allocate funds to each category based on your income and expenses. This step ensures that your spending aligns with your priorities. However, it's crucial to ensure your budget remains flexible. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise, so build in a buffer or an emergency fund to accommodate these situations. By developing a budget that reflects your financial goals and allows for flexibility, you'll be better equipped to manage your finances and work toward achieving your dreams. To ensure your budget remains effective, it's essential to monitor and adjust it regularly. Start by setting a monthly review date where you can assess how well your budget is working for you. During this review, take a close look at your spending patterns and determine if you're staying within your allocated categories. If you notice changes in your income or encounter unexpected expenses, be prepared to make adjustments to your budget accordingly. Flexibility is key to maintaining financial health. Additionally, consider encouraging accountability by sharing your budget with a trusted friend or family member. This can provide you with valuable insights and support, making it easier to stick to your financial goals. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, you'll stay on track and be better equipped to navigate any financial challenges that come your way. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to building a budget that can significantly enhance your financial health and help you achieve your goals. We discuss the importance of understanding your income, tracking your expenses, and setting clear financial objectives. By choosing a budgeting method that suits your lifestyle and regularly monitoring and adjusting your budget, you can stay on track and adapt to any changes in your financial situation. Now it's time for you to take action. Start implementing your own budget today and experience the benefits of financial control and stability. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who could also benefit from these financial tips. Together, we can create a community focused on achieving financial success and empowerment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.